Important update: TSplus Remote Access. Compatibility fixes for Windows 11 24 H2 and 23 H2. The stability and compatibility of TSplus Remote Access with the latest versions of Microsoft operating systems and their updates are ensured daily by our development team. New features and enhancements are delivered weekly. To maintain optimal performance, it is strongly recommended that your server be kept up to date. By subscribing to our annual support and update service, you will gain access to the latest updates, ensuring ongoing compatibility and security.
Yeah.